Am I really in the first train? Am I dreaming?
Don't stop here, guys. Continue walking, please. Continue walking. Don't stop, continue walking. Thank you. Watch your step. Thank you, dear. Continue walking inside. You can go on the right or left, huh? Continue walking.
Wow, that's so
Oh my god, look at that, they changed it.
619. Damn.
You know what? That's the most CRC thing I've ever seen.
Oh, what the? Me in the middle, but it's better.
Later the sensor will pick up wrong station.
Yeah.
It's a video.
There will be a demonstration on the door.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the real guys. 619. Please go, guys.
Doors are closing.
Okay, what's happening now is that the door is not able to close, so this is a normal fault. And then when a fault occurs, it automatically cycles the doors. Yep. Okay, yep. So what you see here is the condition monitoring alert. So traditionally, what happens is if there's a fault, we only see an alarm. But that also means that the door already cannot be closed, and that means service has already been delayed. So what happens here is with this condition monitoring alert now, it gives our maintenance staff enough time to plan ahead, bring the train back to depot, investigate, and also change out any faulty components if needed. Yep. So now when the train returns to depot, our maintenance team will conduct a door investigation, and they use a boroscope to assess the condition of the door rollers. So my colleague will be shown on the screen. Yep.
So that's like the door fault.
No, you can see that.
So now if you see on the through the boroscope, we can see that the door roller has actually been damaged, and this also gives us confidence that our condition monitoring alert is meaningful and actionable. Yeah. Those at the back, if you can't see, you might want to take a closer look.
Doors are closing. Doors are closing.
The train will be moving shortly. Yeah.
Thank you. This is the shortest train ride you ever get right in your life, okay? So enjoy the train ride. We go as slow as we can, so it's as long as we can for the shortest train ride.
If everyone's ready, we'll start to move the train.
Yep.
Hello, okay. Train moving.
Everybody ready?
Just we're just going there with you. Or we're going to there.
No, go there.
Really the shortest train. Really, we're on the train.
That's a model. That's a display statics.
This is the real one. Even static we don't do show. Sorry, I'll leave it there. Remember this year. It takes about 3-4 months to do it. Before we think we are comfortable that it's safe enough. they implemented the trains in Vietnam. This is
How many of these trains? Then
this is the old type.
how many you are there?
So, so you do model by model. Model by itself will be
A record? Oh.
Keep weight, keep weight. Keep weight. Give weight, keep weight. Keep weight, ah. Keep weight, keep weight.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated while we get the door out for you.
Is it?
Yeah, please remain seated. We are trying to get the door to the staircase.
So the Japanese contractor in China
Yes,
to
at the
build
back, yeah.